Welcome to the Evolution of Robotics, a journey through innovation. On this video, we will explore the extraordinary records and advancements of robotics, from its humble beginnings to its transformative effect on society these days. The adventure of robotics dates again centuries, with early inventors and thinkers dreaming of making mechanical beings that would mimic human movements. The Industrial Revolution saw the delivery of automation, with machines taking up repetitive obligations in factories, growing efficiency and productiveness. Pop culture has lengthy been focused on the concept of wise robots, inspiring generations of scientists and engineers to deliver these fictional characters to life. Inside the 20th century, pioneers like Joseph Engelberger and George Debel laid the inspiration for modern robotics, introducing the sector to the first business robots capable of performing duties with precision and accuracy. The exploration of area has been another frontier for robotics, with self-sustaining rovers and robot hands gambling crucial roles in scientific discovery and space missions. Nowadays, robots are revolutionizing industries throughout the globe, from healthcare and agriculture to logistics and transportation, with improvements in artificial intelligence and machine gaining knowledge of robots have become smarter, greater adaptable, and able to working along people and methods in no way imagined before. The destiny of robotics is relatively interesting. We are getting ready to a brand new technology in which robots will no longer simply perform obligations but additionally engage with humans in greater herbal and intuitive approaches. As robotics technology continues to develop, we will see robots gambling even extra roles in areas like elder care, catastrophe response, and environmental conservation. As we appearance beforehand, the adventure of robotics is one in every of infinite possibilities. With innovation and collaboration, we can maintain to push the bounds of what robots can gain, shaping a destiny where Guy and system paintings hand in hand to create a higher world. Thanks for becoming a member of us on this adventure through the evolution of robotics. Don't forget to love, proportion, and subscribe for greater videos on technological know-how and era.